Thank you for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. I'm Joe, and today we're in Nelson, British Columbia, Canada, and we've got a gigantic car show here to show you today. And we're just going to walk around and look at some amazing muscle cars, and you guys are going to love it. So stay tuned, folks. Here it comes. Thank you for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. Now we're back for part 2 of the Nelson Car Show in British Columbia, Canada. Now this first car is going to be the Griswold station wagon that was in the movie. So check it out, folks. It's super cool. And this is a pretty awesome car. Who doesn't like the Chevy Z28? What a jewel this one is. This car show was estimated to be large, but they had over 500 cars registered and parked. It was absolutely amazing. They just kept on rolling in. Now this brand new Bronco was up and running for sale. This is a very nice vehicle. I had to get a shot of these old pickup trucks. They were so nice. Then I came across the Chevy Camaro SS, and it had a little one just like it. It was awesome. You're going to see a ton more cars. Stay with me to the very end so you can see all the fancy cars. I had to get a good look at this flat deck truck. It was absolutely awesome. Definitely one of a kind. If you guys are liking what you're seeing, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free. Thank you. If you guys watched part 1 of my car show video, it shows this beast coming down the road. It sounded absolutely awesome. If you haven't seen it, after this video, go back to my channel and watch it because it's super cool. This definitely was an awesome car show. Every time I turn around, there was something better, something that I wanted to see. And I definitely want to come back next year to see it all over again. Thank you for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. I hope you enjoyed this video here in Nelson, British Columbia. Let me know in the comments below which car you like best. If you'd like to see another video on trucks or motorcycles, you can click on this link right here to start. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and take the time to subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified when the next video comes out. We'd love to have you on board. We've got lots more coming. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.